Well, good morning, folks. It's Luke here of Pine Acres RV in Moncton, taking a look at our most recent acquisition, a 2018 Flagstaff Superlite. That looks like a Rockwood to me too, huh? Forest River, Rockwood 2. Must be a sister manufacturer. Look at the automotive style windshield. I love that. Two 30-pound propane tanks, and they will be filled. There's a powered tongue jack right there. Take a look at the laminate finish. Oh, I can't get over it. Oh, goodness. All right, there's an outside table. Barbecue. Some other stuff there. Look at that. Aluminum construction here in the front. Flagstaff Superlite. We got cable connection, power connection. Oh, look. A spot right there to put your TV. Outside speakers. Take a look at this. Outside kitchen. Hello. Very clean. We just bought this. We haven't cleaned it yet. Prep for a backup camera. Outside shower. Cable connection, 30 amp power connection, city water. Here's a slide. What's this? Little storage compartment. Well, it stays there via magnet. The other side of that, that's huge. What's the weight on this? The dry weight is 2,997 kilograms. All right, if you think the outside looks good, let's go take a look inside. All right, and the model number is a Flagstaff 27BHWS. All right, let's start off. This is a corner bunk unit. Those are huge bunks. You can actually put two small kids there. Love this feature. That goes up. You can put a bike in there. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get back to that here soon. Behind door number one, you got the bathroom, medicine cabinet, nice shower, super clean. Skylight, nice window right here. Oh, that's a fantastic fan. Love it. Okay, main living area. TV, soundbar, stereo. Huh. There's a storage there. That leather couch turns into a bed. I love these little reading lights too. A huge U-shaped dinette. That table folds down. That makes a big bed. Oh, it looks like you put a table here, or maybe an extension of some type. Not sure if it comes with, but. All right, fridge. It's a Dometic, propane, and electric. We got an oven. Bet you it was never used. Yep, that does not look like it was ever used. Microwave. Arched ceilings, love that. This is very, very clean. We have not cleaned this yet. We just got it. All right, what I really like about this, we got a bedroom slide that makes for a huge, huge bedroom. There's the bed. Underneath the bed, there's some shelves. We got a window. Look at the automotive style windshield. And of course, there is a daytime and nighttime shade right there. Take a look at the room in here. Not huge. But this is huge. All right. Oh, there's a spot right there to hang up another TV if you'd like to. Wow. Flagstaff or Rockwood, I'm not sure who you are. It says Flagstaff though, so it must be a Flagstaff. Forest River, 80 Pine, no, not 80 Pine Acres, 80 Commerce Street. Moncton, New Brunswick, Pine Acres, Moncton, come and see Eugene.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.